now coming up at 11:18. Betsy's back. As soon as I start calling you the Queen of Summer, you start talking about a cold front. What's up with that?
Oh, it is the season, Russ Mitchell. You know how this goes.
You think it's October or something.
It certainly feels like it, but this is a nice cold front, so this will bring us some thunderstorms in the morning, but we aren't going to have a barrage of cold air coming in.
Okay.
So keep that in mind. That's, I guess, the good news. But we do have some rain that's coming, and you'll start your day with a chance for those scattered rain and storms to be rumbling through the area. Friendly reminder, Holly starts at 4 a.m., and I think she'll be tracking quite a few showers and storms coming in a line. Note that the temperatures will be in the 70s in the morning. We're not going to find the temperatures moving all that much tonight, but by the end of the day, we will be in the 50s, breezy conditions and cooler temperatures. Now, as far as the rain tomorrow, just to kind of keep it in a timeline for you, check out the times. 5 a.m., we start to see that line sneaking up to more scattered chances. We will have likely rain late morning into midday, and then look how that line falls off. That is a classic cold front signature. We're going to have a big hit of rain, and then it moves out. Now, where is that cold front now? Well, it has been rolling its way across the Midwest and the Great Lakes region, causing some problems this evening with some severe weather. There's the SNOW. That's just for Lena. But you can see that scattered shower and thunderstorm chance is definitely moving eastbound. A lot of the little stuff out ahead of it died, and that's just because basically nighttime cooling takes over. That suppresses a lot of that activity, but the front provides its own oomph, and so that will help to propel that line eastward. And I say the front, and it is very distinct. That is a sign of a powerful cold front. Oranges still to the west of us. That's where temperatures are still, believe it or not, in the 80s at this hour. Then you hop over the line and we get back into the 50s, the 40s, and the 30s are already there with freeze warnings throughout some of the Dakotas. So let's go hour by hour now. We'll kind of bring this all home to you. The temperatures stay in the 70s through the overnight hours. We have a nice southerly breeze, so if you do have the windows open, you'll have the breeze, but just keep in mind you may have some rain to get up for in the morning. 7 a.m., there's the line. Embedded thunderstorm chances are there. We could have some heavy downpours. More likely than not, this will be kind of one of those hit or miss kind of things to start, and then as the morning progresses, we'll start to see some things filling in. 9 a.m., temperature still in the low 70s. The line is moving through. There's this second line, though. That's the actual front. The actual front will drop in midday, and note that the temperatures have already fallen in downtown Cleveland, and they continue to fall over the next couple of hours. So we have a nice temperature difference north and south of the front, 65 to 73, the split there. And then as that front moves out, drier, cooler air begins to move in. We will have less humidity tomorrow afternoon. Yes, there is that, but look at how the temperatures fall back into the 50s by later in the evening under mostly clear to partly cloudy skies. It is going to be notably cooler at the end of the day than the beginning, and that's noted on your Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast. Morning rain giving way to clearing later with the cooler temps plunging in as those temperatures fall. We'll be right around 70 on a beautiful Friday with a mix of clouds and sun. Now Saturday we start dry, temperatures surge mid-80s, and then showers and storms start to creep in. I think this will be scattered around the area. Then that moves out, and then we kind of dance around with low 80s even into next week.
See, you can go back to calling her queen.
That's right. That's right. She's always the queen. Summer, winter, spring, fall, doesn't matter.
Wow,
fix my hair here.
He's so smooth.
Yeah, well,
so smooth.
She's taught me well. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.